In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at waitlisted bookings and changing booking status. Now I'm going to create a booking over a time when there is no availability and see how the system handles it. There's a pop-up warning you there's no availability, but you can go ahead anyway. Here we see the booking has defaulted to waitlist, and once again gives you a warning of the overbooking. So here's our completed reservation, and we can confirm the status is waitlisted, meaning it's non-stock holding. Now let's find the booking that's taking up the availability. This is a confirmed booking, but if I change the status to quotational waitlist, so a non-stock holding status, there's a waitlist pop-up notifying you of other waitlisted bookings that qualify for the same accommodation type and dates. I've selected the booking I made a moment ago and changed the status to provisional, so it's now holding that availability. I hope you found this tutorial useful.